All parties Hurriyat Conference has emphasized the need to understand the Kashmir conflict through its historical context. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar criticized India's current approach, stating instead of taking measures to resolve the long pending issue in its historical context, India and Hindutva BJP government are attempting to impose their solution through force. In the Riyasi district, reports indicate that the Indian Army is providing weapon training to the terror group organized by the Indian Army in the name of village defense guards. According to Kashmir Media Service, during an armed training camp workshop, the Indian troops showcased their expertise in weapon handling to the village defense guards. The training aimed to enhance the capabilities of the village defense guards in the weapon handling. Over 41,300 people, including APHC leaders, were booked on various charges by the Hindutva BJP regime in occupied Kashmir since 2015 until February 2024. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service revealed that during the BJP's rule in the occupied territory in 2015, over 41,300 people, mostly the Hurriyat leaders of the different political parties, activists, ulama, human rights defenders, journalists and social activists were arrested by the Indian authorities on the fake charges. For over 7 decades, Kashmiris have endured the ongoing repression in pursuit of their relentless struggle for justice and freedom for occupied Kashmir from the Indian clutches. According to Kashmir Media Service, since India's deployment of the troops in Srinagar on October 1947, the territory has been marred by turmoil and suffering. Around 700 more companies of the Indian paramilitary forces are said to be deployed in the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, in addition to over 11 lakh Indian Army troops, Border Security Force and other paramilitary forces, India plans to deploy more than 700 additional paramilitary companies in the Kashmir Valley, Jammu region and Ladakh region in the pretext of smooth conduct of the Lok Sabha elections.